We all earn money, but few of us know what to do with that money. Some save, some invest. Now we will come to the part where we will talk about what is good for you, saving or investing. Saving is important. Saving keeps your money safe and it helps you in terms of emergency. But if you look at other aspects of savings, it actually doesn't help you to grow your money. To grow your money, investing is important. Now let's talk about the investment. If you invest your money through mutual fund, stocks, through SIPs, you can create a massive wealth, not only beating the inflation, but also a generational wealth, which can give you a massive wealth creation in the longer run. If you are just doing a SIP, you can create, just with a 5,000 rupees SIP for 20 years, you may create approximately 1.5 CR of wealth for yourself. That is called compounding of wealth. While savings are necessary to meet your short-term goals as well as the emergency goals, but investment is required for your long-term wealth creation and have a bigger wealth creation for your happy and prosperous life. So both are important, but have a different views to it. Don't hold your money for a long-term money for a short-term goal and short-term money for a long-term goal. So what is your choice? Investing the money or savings the money? As I told, savings helps you for a short term, but investment help you for compounding, creating wealth for the long term. Now, you can download our Wealth app to get help for your investments. Thank you for watching.